If you need to change the phone number associated with your Epic Games account, follow these simple steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your existing credentials. Make sure you have access to your current phone number for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate phone number section. In the account settings menu, look for the account info or personal information section. Here, you will find the current phone number linked to your account. Step 4. Update your phone number. Click on the option to edit or change your phone number. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it, such as receiving a verification code via SMS. Step 5. Save changes. After successfully verifying your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your phone number has been updated. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number linked to your Epic Games account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.